안녕하세요. 정아 here. For today's quick tip, I'll be talking about the difference between 함께 and 같이. They both mean together. However, 함께 is more often used in writing, while 같이 is more common in conversation. In spoken Korean, you will hear 같이 when saying together more often than 함께. For example, when saying let's go together, you can say 같이 가요 or 함께 가요. However, the former is more common in conversation. Using 같이 in daily conversation sounds more natural when saying together. For example, 우리 같이 영화 볼까요? means shall we watch a movie together? 우리 같이 테니스 쳐요 means let's play tennis together. 우리는 음악을 같이 들었어요 means we listen to music together. You can use 함께 to replace 같이 in these cases, but it will sound a bit formal when speaking. Can you use 같이 in a sentence? Let us know in the comments below. Bye for now!